Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Welcome. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoJunior Khanye bafowethu ukuthi why kuyi-important for uJunior Khanye ukuthi akhulume nge-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu nanokuthi ayi-attack isikhathi esiningi. So ayikho into e-personal overall masibheka la or mangibheka because mina ngiya-understand-a i-YouTube nanokuthi benza kanjani imali ku-Diski Times. I've seen obviously mangikhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kwenzakalani kuma-analytics in terms of like i-viewer rates, izinto ezinjalo, i-watch time, iziningi lezi zinto lezi. So according to my estimation, because ngiyazi ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa i-RPM ukuthi bahola malini abantu based on ama-videos nama-views nama-watch time, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So uJunior Khanye mekhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs on average wenza imali serious for i-Diski TV. So mangibala estimation sekenze close to 20 million for i-Diski TV. So I'm averaging between they're averaging between 300,000 around 300,000 every month just nje ukuthi benza ama-YouTube channels or ama-YouTube videos kanje ukuthi bakhulume. And a big source of their income obviously ibuya uJunior Khanye ukuthi uJunior Khanye will say something controversial. And esikhumbula ukuthi uJunior Khanye utrenda ngani bafowethu, utrenda nge-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, akatrendi ngamanye ama-team. Kumele asho something obvious ezo-offenda fan base e-Kaizer Chiefs, and then-ke kula ama-video wakhe azotrenda. And then he's trending across all platforms, ku-Facebook, ku-Twitter, ku-TikTok, so he's trending there. And then-ke leyo number leyo yabantu abanye bayofuna full video kuphi ku-YouTube, that's where they make serious money. And then the other side abenza ngayo imali kakhulu bafethu benza through lento le i-WorldSport betting yabo, ibanika I think close to 100 rand per 1,000 views, meaning that le yaku-YouTube imali nje mhlawumbe abayenzayo 500,000 ngenyanga imali yokubhadala ama-employees, and then khona le yama-sponsor. And then guess what, uJunior Khanye i-brand ambassador yani ye-WorldSport betting. WorldSport betting, yeah, I think ngilisho right igama lakhona le betting company, benza imali serious-ke lapho, maybe benza boma 300,000 400,000 depending on ama-views abawatholile ku-YouTube. Cause i-WorldSport betting last time uNkululeko Mkewe ekhuluma wayethi babanika around I think 180 rand per 1,000 views, meaning ukuthi mabethole let's say 1 million views overall, sengenze average bathola 80,000 rands bafowethu, 80,000 from le company le kuthiwa i-WorldSport betting. So mawubheka ama-numbers wabo like a month bashaya boma 3 million views, boma 4 million views ngenyanga. So times alabo 80 rand-ke mhlampe kawu-4 ubone ukuthi benza malini. La sithi 240,000 but i-deal yabo maybe seku-100 rand manje per 1,000 views because obviously izinto ziyatshintsha, ziyaguquka. Mhlampe nje ngenyanga from i-WorldSport betting benze 300 or 400,000 500,000 whatever, sazi ukuthi i-deal yabo sekuyimalini but imali serious. And then ku-YouTube i-RPM yakhona ngithi niyabona manibukela ama-video wami bafethu, kuqala kuvela le ad le ekumele niyibukele lesi ama-few seconds and then niyayiskipha-ke ngoba nifuna ukuyibukela. Kubalulekile ukuthi nibukele leya ad, yiyo esenza ngayo imali kakhulu. So there's no way baye ku-attack i-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuthiwa yenza kahle, they have to find something yokuyi-attack. Yazi why? Because yilapho imali yabo i-serious ibuya iphuma khona. So like ubheka ama-viewership like kwe-Kaizer Chiefs, ubheke nawo amanye ama-team waqhathanisa ama-likes, ama-dislikes, ama-comments, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So mina I started this channel not knowing or understanding ama-numbers ukuthi asebenza kanjani, but now ngiloke ngiyawa-understand-a kancane kancane, ngiyabona ukuthi okay, good viewership uyithola mawukhuluma nge-subject ekanje. You have to be more controversial. Akumelanga ube phakathi nendawo, kumele abanye abantu bakuphikise, abanye bavume, abanye baphikisana, abanye bakuprotect. That's what's happening with uJunior Khanye, and that's where a profitable, abe more prolific for what is the channel iDiski TV kula benza khona imali. On average ubheke uJunior Khanye uthi aqale lento yakhe ukuthi uyakhuluma kabi against for i-Kaizer Chiefs, maybe iqale kancane but once they tested the market babona ukuthi okay, na into esingenza ngayo ama-millions. And then uNkululeko Mkewe wathatha ilokhu njani iDiski TV, yena nepartner yakhe angazi uJason norubani, bayithengisela lo baba lo bomlungu lo understand ama-ads, owenza like izinto eziningi ema-rank, kuwo wonke ama-rank amaningi. Manibona i-TV ye-rank, lowo mlungu loyo sika-owner iDiski TV le yabo Junior Khanye, kusasey-channel yakaNkululeko Mkewe but u-own a certain, angazi bathengise 51% or so yaleyo channel leyo. But guess what, through iDiski TV they were able to ukuqala i-Diski Times, which is i-newspaper oyithola, angazi uyithola kuMaspar or Shoprite, but-ke uyayithola na-digital. Uma unabalandela ku-WhatsApp, every week bayakuthumela, and then baqasha ama-journalists and so forth. But the main attraction yabo iqale ku-YouTube. Ngobani? NgoJunior Khanya. So uJunior Khanya overall ubabhildele ibhizinisi elingaworth aboma-100 million rands manje in terms of imali. Phela umuntu owenza boma-500,000 ngenyanga as ikhampani, ngikhuluma nge-YouTube channel kuphela, what about abo-Diski Times? Because ku-Diski Times even i-newspaper yakhona i-online, but guess what, even ku-newspaper yakhona ubona ba-advertise-ile like ama-brands are different because bayazi ukuthi kune-traffic ezoza izobukela, so ezinye izinto ziya-advertise, so they're able to make money ngalo zinto lezo. And then manje lately, as of late, like banama-ads bona ba-advertise lese iy'moto or ezinye izinto, so uthi uma uklika ku-video yabo vele i-advert ayijampeki-ke leyo advert, kumele uyibukele iziphele. So they were able to monetize this thing ukuthi benze ibhizinisi labo liworth multi-million dollar business, but iqale ngobani? NgoJunior Khanya online, ukuthi uJunior Khanya criticize yiphi team? Kaizer Chiefs. So uJunior Khanya is not aware, akusi-business owner, akusilutho, yena ujust bamqashile nje kuphela, but ubabhildele ibhizinisi eliworth ama-millions. Is he worth millions? Well, that's the question I can't answer because angilazi noma ngiwazi amaphokothe kaJunior Khanya. But masibheka overall, lento leyo ukukhuluma ngebhola, lento leyo ukuthi abantu batrende bakuthuke benzeni abazi, they're making you more money, but-ke bona bacabanga ukuthi bayaku-attack-a nje. So they've made a lot of money for Junior Khanya. I remember this time boss yakho uNkululeko Nkewu ithi iSuperSport beyimfuna uJunior Khanya, but wamtshela straight uJunior Khanya ukuthi Junior, uSuperSport le mali abazokunika yona ngizokunika la leyo mali leyo, ungayi lapho. Mina I'll make sure ukuthi wena you getting the biggest salary compared to nalaba abasebenza kuSuperSport, so ungayi. Why bekubalulekile ukuthi amgcine la ku-YouTube? Because if angaluza uJunior Khanya iyacrasha i-Diski Times or i-Diski TV. Why? Because most of their percentage, maybe uJunior Khanya, through Junior Khanya, maybe 70% of imali abayenzayo bayenza because of uJunior Khanya, and the foot traffic or the traffic that they generate is because of uJunior Khanya. I mean, banawo ama-analyst amanye, but-ke amanye ama-analyst amanye, they don't get the same buzz as uJunior Khanya, so it's very important for bona ukuthi bamgcine. If it takes ukuthi bamnika 100,000 a month, if naye bekazi ukuthi i-value yakhe ingakanani kule channel le, bebazomnika. Why? They cannot afford ukuthi bamluze because ubabhildele i-empire. I mean, ngicabanga from i-YouTube channel to i-newspaper manje, to ezinye izinto, to uku-advertise-wa ema-taxi rank, to izinto ey'ningi. The power of uJunior Khanya uku-attack-a i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ikanjalo nje kuphela, ayikho enye bafowethu, ikanjalo straight. So ngiyabona abantu, the more abantu bam-attack-a, the more ba-engage kuye, the more they make him rich, or they make this company, Diski Times or Diski TV, more richer and greater and more visible to abantu abaningi, obviously, because abantu abaningi abazi-understand lezi zinto lezi. But yeah, that's how Diski Times benza ngayo o-500,000 to R1 million every month because of i-traffic yabantu nokuthi abantu ba-reacta Junior Khanya. So uJunior Khanya uzombona trenda online ku-TikTok, but uzofuna ukubona i-Diski TV full video ku-YouTube, noma ufika ku-YouTube channel yabo ubonani, so ubona namanye ama-analyst, and then you are engaged through engagement yakho, whether it's negative or positive, they're still making money. Yinto engithi nje ngidlulise umlayezo, ngidlulise nje manje leyo message leyo bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I'll try and show more of my face because abantu abaningi bathi bafuna ukubona ubuso bami, so I'll try and do that more often than ever before ukuthi abantu bangibone. I'll try and get a better lighting nyana, but yeah. So ngithanda ukuthi thank you kubo bonke abantu abasubscribe-ayo, kubo bonke abantu abalikeayo, kubo bonke abantu abakhulisa le platform le independent, engenzi izinto based on ukuthi mhlambe ngifavor bani nje. I try to be direct. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bano-complain ngokuthi I don't cover other teams kakhulu anymore. Ngizoyikhipha iqiniso lakhona ukuthi kwenzakalani, my reasons ukuthi why ngingakhava amanye ama-team kakhulu. So but as for now, yonke i-content engiyikhavayo. So it's very important bafowethu ukuthi ni-engage, whether noma ningakhomenta nithi kukhona izinto enifuna ukuzibona, so ningangitshela ukuthi ufuna ukubona 1 2 3, ubuze umbuzo and then mina I'll make the video le oyibuzile. Danko bafowethu.